how to log out of all sessions on Hubspot. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out of all sessions on Hubspot. Easy and quick. First open your browser, and now once you're here, click settings, and then click security, and that's it. Now you will find session reset, and that's it. Here we'll find logout of all sessions. Click on it, and that's it. Then just click yes, log me out, and I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.